What's up, friends? Right here, and today we're going to be building set 10215 Obi Wan's Jedi Starfighter. This here is an Ultimate Collector Series set that I got off of eBay, I believe, a while ago. Let's rip it open, see what we can do. I'm a little disappointed. I don't think this comes with an Obi Wan minifigure, but it does come with the stand and stuff. So, let's see. Maybe I can find an Obi Wan somewhere. Alright, here we got it together. It's a pretty small for a UCS set, but I like it. I really like this little droid here. I've never seen one that size. Pretty cute. But it rotates on this stand. See, pretty good bottoms view there. And from the back. Pretty neat. Looks like you could fit a minifigure in there, but like I said, it doesn't come with one. That's kind of a bummer. Let's see, we'll take a look at the top and the sign here. Pretty neat. It's got a few stickers here and there. Some nice little colors. Anyway, pretty simple little build. Pretty fun. Post your questions, comments, complaints, concerns down below. Just remember to keep it real, and we will see you next time. Later.